Hey everybody! Alright, in this video we are going to go over how to hide a page on your Squarespace website. You might want to do this for a variety of reasons. Perhaps you're making a landing page for a specific area or specific clientele or person that you want to hide, or just something that you don't want on the main site of your web page. So let me explain what that means really quick. If we go to a web page, and let's say all of these things up here on the top are non-hidden pages. They're pages I can get to through the menu of my menu, like through here. A hidden page is a page that you can only get to through either Google sending people to it, or through you putting the link somewhere or sending it to somebody. They click on that link and it brings them to a page that is hidden, meaning it's on the back where you can't see it, but it is not listed here, but it looks like they're on their main page just like this. So in order to do that, what would you do? What you would do is come over to Squarespace, go to edit your site. You'll end up on a page like this. I just chose a random template that I'm using as some examples for a couple videos right now. So this is a mini website right now. So we're just gonna come over here on the left to pages. We're gonna click on that, and we are going to, over on the left, you'll see pages, main navigation, and not linked. Now, this main navigation are ones where home, contact me. You can see up here on the top right, home, contact me. They're pages I can get to. Now, if I take this contact me and I click and hold my left mouse button and I drag it down here under this not linked, you can see contact me disappeared from up here. But it's still a page that people can get to, but they can only get there through something, let's say on this home page, linking to it, or Google sending it, or me sending the link to somebody. So you wouldn't want to do that with the contact me page, but that's how you do it. Now, if you accidentally do that, you can click, drag, and hold and bring it back up where you want it. And it'll all show up in your navigation. You might also want to do this if you are working on a page and you're not ready for the world to see it yet. So maybe I'm working on a different home page that I'm going to want to replace with later, and there's a little bit more complicated version for that home page. So let's say, pretend that we're doing it with the blog. Let's say my blog isn't ready. Like, I've got examples, but you can notice this is all information that no one would want yet. So until I have some blog posts in here, I don't want people to see it. But as soon as I'm ready, I can bring it up here for people to see. And then you'll see blog appears up here. So that is how you hide a page, and some reasons on why you might want to do it and how to do it for Squarespace 7.1. As always, let me know if you got questions. Hit that subscribe button. Helps my tiny little channel out. But I make videos answering y'all's questions. So this is a question I got last night. So reach out. Bye.